Welcome back, grammarians. It's Miss Jessie. Today, we will learn about a concept that often confuses young writers: the difference between a singular and a plural possessive noun. Like many students, you may often be confused about why the apostrophe in possessive nouns sometimes comes after the S and sometimes comes before. Let's see the difference. Usually, an apostrophe and an S are added to singular nouns to create the singular possessive form. Check out these simple examples. The boys, with an apostrophe S, new bike was shiny and red. Or, the kids were swinging from the trees, apostrophe S, branches. As you can see, we add an apostrophe and an S to show that the new bike belongs to one boy and that the branches belong to one tree. Is everyone following along? Let's look at the plural possessive form. The teacher's apostrophe classrooms were colorful and clean. Here, you can see that we place the apostrophe after the S, indicating the plural possessive form instead of the singular. But how can we remember which is which? It's simple. Just look at the word before the apostrophe. Is the word singular? Then it's a singular possessive. Is the word plural? Then it's a plural possessive. Let's test our theory. In the phrase, the spider's web, the word before the apostrophe is spider, which refers to only one spider. In the phrase, the car's engines, the word before the apostrophe is cars, which is plural. There are even some irregular nouns that don't follow the same rules, but we can use our trick to figure those out too. Take a look at the words men's and children's. They both have an apostrophe and an S, but the words before the apostrophes are plural. These too are plural possessive nouns. If you can remember our trick of looking before the apostrophe, you'll never make mistakes with possessive nouns again. Thanks for joining me today, everyone.